Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add USDT to Coinbase Wallet. It's easy to get this done. All you need to do is open up your Coinbase Wallet, and once your wallet is opened up, you can easily add the USDT to the Coinbase Wallet by clicking on the receive option. So once you select the receive icon and you wish to add your USDT, take a look at the various networks that are available. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add the USDT on the Ethereum network. So all you need to do is simply copy your address, that's your wallet address, head back, minimize and open up either a centralized exchange or a wallet that hosts the USDT on the Ethereum network. To do this, we'll be working with the Trust Wallet. Click on the Trust Wallet and search for USDT. And you'd find the USDT in many networks, from the Polygon to the BNB to Tron, and then finally the Ethereum. So if you click on Ethereum USDT and simply click on the send option, once you select send, paste your address, enter the amount of USDT you wish to send, click on the next option, and you could easily send your USDT from an exchange or a wallet by just using your wallet address, that's your Coinbase wallet address, and entering an amount. So click on next, and the tokens would be sent from that wallet into your Coinbase wallet, which you could confirm by a simple reload or heading over to the transactions menu and performing a reload here to be able to find evidence of the arrival of the token. So guys, that's how you can easily add USDT to Coinbase Wallet. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.